This is lamb reshmi handi, also known as NAMKEEN GOSHT in my household. And this is my grandma's recipe, my Dadi Jan's recipe. It is velvety, rich and creamy in texture with perfectly cooked lamb and with a very few handful ingredients. A very rustic dish, everything goes all together in one pot and it's a one pot wonder. By all means, you can make it in your instant pot, but I'm using a terracotta pot and I'm using butter and it's about a kilo, a little bit more than a kilo of lamb. And this is the perfect size of the meat. Then a 1 sliced onion and then ginger and garlic freshly crushed, 3 bay leaves and a handful of black peppercorn whole, salt, half a cup of water and about 1/4 of vinegar, and that's it. And on a slow flame it goes. And then I'm going to prepare the velvety part, which is 1 tablespoon of yogurt and some cream. Mix it together and leave it aside. After 45 minutes, the meat is just falling off the bone. It's tender, it's beautiful, but it's got a little bit of water left. I'm adding a bit more of butter. This is about, in total, it will be about 100 grams of butter going in this handi. Cook for another 10 minutes until the water is reduced and then add the velvety mixture of that cream and yogurt. Give it a good mix. Cook it for another 5 to 10 minutes until it's all homogenized and then add your coriander, green chilies and chopped ginger. Give it a good mix and then plate up. Dish it out and then again garnish it with your coriander, chili and ginger and serve with warm naan, chapati or whatever you like it with. Please do make it and hit the notification icon and do follow me for more. Take care.